In front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to hit Security section over here. Now scroll again to select Face and enter your current login method. Now click on Start Enrollment at the bottom right corner. Select I have read the privacy statement. Choose Agree also at the bottom right corner. And wait. Keep your face in frame when you see this screen. And wait for 100% mark. Follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select OK and manage all of those options however you want to. When you finished, go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!